Hey guys, Kim Lenga here from Emerge Fitness, and today I am going to make a black bean burger. So my son is coming home next weekend. He is bringing his girlfriend and she's a vegetarian. So I figured I would show you how to make some black bean burgers, which are really, really delicious. I get a lot of requests right now. People are navigating and moving more toward plant-based diets. So that is often a request that I get is, what can I eat? I'm plant-based. What can I substitute for some type of protein in lieu of meat? So these are black bean burgers. Beans are actually a carbohydrate. A serving of beans, half a cup, is about 23 grams of a carbohydrate and only about 7 grams of protein, but there's still protein in here. So a lot of people that are moving and gravitating toward plant-based diet, they're going to use these types of things to fulfill their protein needs. So what I have here, black beans, some brown rice that I've already cooked up, a small onion that has been sauteed, some whole wheat panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of salsa, and right here in lieu of an egg, because again, this is plant-based, right? And some vegans and vegetarians, they don't eat eggs either. So this is a flax egg. So you take a tablespoon of flax meal to 2 tablespoons of water, and you are going to make that fat, right? That's going to bind it together. So I'm going to throw everything right here in the food processor and show you how easy this is. So that was 1 can of beans to 1 small onion that has been chopped and sauteed, 1 cup of already cooked brown rice, and I'm going to start to pulse that real quick. Now some people might like bigger beans in their bean burger, not me. So you can save some of it, a couple of, like a quarter of the can, and put some whole beans into it, but I'm not a fan. So now I'm gonna add the flax egg, the panko breadcrumbs, two tablespoons of salsa, and now I'm going to throw in some seasoning. So about a teaspoon of salt and some crushed black pepper. And that is it. So I'll take this off. And I'm just gonna mix up anything that is on the side here that didn't get incorporated in. So simple, so simple. So now what I have here is, this is what, a 1/3 cup, and I'm gonna actually use this to be the mold, right, and to shape these patties. It's just a little bit easier to do. So sprayed it with some spray avocado oil. And you can even make these a little bit bigger if you want. So I'm gonna pop them right out onto this. So we see, there's one. Like a sandcastle. Now I didn't spray this in between, so hopefully this pops out just as easily. This one we're going to need some help. So I'd recommend spraying in between each one. So you should get about 6 burgers out of this. And the best thing to do is pan fry them in some spray avocado oil. I didn't spray it. I didn't spray it. All right, and the last one. Couldn't see what I was doing. So that is it, folks. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, let them chill a little bit, and then you can shape them a little bit better once they get chilled. And you guys, this is an impossible burger, right? Save yourself the money. Feed yourself nutritiously. You know what's in here, right? You saw all the ingredients. When you look at the ingredients and the labels, like on an Impossible Burger or your store-bought vegan burgers, right? They have a lot of things in it that probably aren't so healthy. So you're, robbing Peter to pay Paul. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator, let them firm up a little bit, and I'm gonna actually freeze these because my son's girlfriend isn't gonna be in town until next week. So I'm gonna have them in the freezer ready to go. So this is something quick that she can add onto the side as we are eating our meat and our chicken. She can have her black bean burger.